Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June snack crate. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I'll leave all the details down below, but this is a wonderful way to check out snacks from other countries. Now, we've already started this recording. We were outside under the umbrella. However, it is almost 3 digits outside today, and with that being said, it was so hot it shut the camera down. So with that, I'll still show you up here or here, one of the two. You'll see the introduction from that time rolling. So I want to show you the items that we've already partaken of. Now here's the thing, a face you haven't seen before. This is my G4.
Wait, am I the 4?
Yes, you're 4.
Okay, 4.
Stop putting it from your face. This is my G4, okay? Now, G3 was having a little bit of a moment, so she is no longer with us in this video.
Okay.
What? You thought I was going to leave it at that? No, nope, we ain't even speaking nothing that remotely sounds like that.
Let's speak
so,
that.
The first item that we tried, okay, before I tell you that, let me just tell you, we are doing the country of Italy. Okay, yeah, there we go. I didn't want it to be in front of your face. We are doing the country of Italy. Now, all the details, the population is 58.9 million. The capital is
Rome. And
the area is 116,350 square miles. And the language they speak is
Italian.
Anyway, we have no idea about their top 10 songs. You ever heard of any of these? Is that a no? Okay, what about top 10 movies? There's one.
I think that's a different one from the one.
So it's not our cartoon though, man. Okay, well, guess what? We don't have those either. So, or know about those. So, we tried a couple of items. G3 is allergic to coconut. So we started off with the snacks that had no coconut in it. And that's why this one is empty. Can you tell she liked it? Okay, and this one was the tiramisu, actually a mini tiramisu sponge cake.
Was it good?
What did you give it?
I get that. I don't know.
I think 4.5.
No,
Okay.
Never mind.
It was really good though. It wasn't tremendously sweet. It was good. So
I
then,
forgot you guys don't like sugar.
haha. Okay, so G4 didn't get to try this, but this is the next item. This one had coconut in it too. So we're gonna go ahead, and Hubby over there actually gave this one a 4.5 too. So that way y'all can try that one. So while they're trying that, I'll tell you, this particular one is the Loker cocoa and milk wafers. Yeah.
It's 2.
Pop it in half. Even that way. Okay, you can give me that
I
one.
already had it.
Okay. Let's see what happens. She may eat them both.
We did, didn't we?
Not bad, right? Because it's not real sweet. This one is another sugar-aholic. What'd you think? What would you give it between 1 and 5 stars? That's
What?
2? Really?
Stop clowning.
Okay, go ahead and put the other one back in there.
I don't like coconut.
But, well, this is true, but it shouldn't be, you know, that pronounced in there. Here you go, babe. Okay, so I gave it a 4.5. Hubby gave it a 4.5. Both G3 and G4 gave it a, well, no, I apologize. G3 didn't try that one. G4 gave it a 2. This one is excellent. She likes pastries, so don't drink it all. You still got a long way to go.
Uh-oh.
So you want another piece of that? That one? Okay, so the next one we did
So
is the chocolate cream Christina. Nice and flaky. Look at her. Okay, stop it. So, what are you giving that one? Oh, 5. Okay. Well, that's okay, because Hubby gave it.
4.
No, not this one, because this is the one that was, you know, flaky like a pastry, you said.
Yeah.
Can I have another
I don't
one?
4.5. You got too far to go. You got to hang on. Okay, so then that one we got a 5 and 2 4.5s. Then the other thing we tried, and G3 ate that one, was this right here. Sorry, she finished the box and gave it a 5. This one was the lemon cream, and it was really amazing.
It looks like mochi.
Yeah, but this one was a softer version of a Lorna Doone,
What is that?
the shortbread cookies,
Okay.
with a very light whipped lemon. Oh, that was really good. Then this one right here, I'm holding the bag.
I thought that one good.
That tells you how good it was then, huh? Okay, so then we tried this right here.
Viva la pizza.
This one is the Amica pizza rings.
Have we had these before?
No.
No, she's been
To Italy.
You have.
Look. Let me move the bag. Look. Look, he gave that one a 5. You agree?
4.5.
4.5?
I
Okay.
don't like tomatoes because the tomatoes are very pronounced.
Oh, that's
but
true.
It
But
tastes
the
so
pizza, it tastes just like pizza, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Mozzarella.
Then we went to this one right here. This one is the Fonzie's. Now, to me, it was really good. Did you like these two? See, this one here, try one of those.
It looks like Tito's.
Oh, wait till you taste it. So what do you think?
What's in it?
This one is Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You don't like it because you don't like Parmesan cheese?
I like Parmesan cheese.
But,
It's on spaghetti.
okay.
She's weird.
Okay,
What?
I can see that. Okay,
A little
then
bit of Parmesan
this is the
and some
last
red
thing.
pepper
Nope,
flakes.
we tried 2 more things out there. This one is, she likes olive oil though. So this right here is, G3 called it a giant Cheerios.
It looks like a giant Cheerio.
But this one is olive oil. You ever go to an Italian restaurant where they give you the warm olive oil and cracked pepper and you dip your bread in it? That's what that tastes like, doesn't it? So what you think?
3.
3. Okay. All right, so we good. One more, and then we'll get to. I didn't realize we tried this many.
I didn't realize it either.
And the problem was we have no idea when it really shut off. So this one is a pesto and cheese potato chip.
Pesto, yeah. That one was good.
Try.
He's
I know you're
bullying
gonna find
me.
a small one. Please stop. All right, so you gotta try that one so you can tell me what you think.
Okay.
This one,
What's wrong with Maestro?
this one to me kind of tastes like kettle chips because they're fried hard.
You know how she choose?
So what do you think?
I don't know. It's like, what are those things with that?
Kettle chips. That's what she said.
You know
Tastes
what
like kettle
I'm
chips.
saying?
Anyway,
She said it tastes like kettle
It
chips.
tastes like some type of herb that we have upstairs.
pesto.
I've never had pesto.
Yes, you
before.
have. You did.
What's
You
in
may
it?
not
It
have known.
tastes like-
It's like basil.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, so you get the basil taste. Okay, good, because it's heavy on the basil.
Mm.
Okay, you can tell. All right, so we're all caught up. We have 3 of them that are left.
I should have got a bigger cup.
I told you. All right, so this I'm not eating because you know I don't eat meat. This one has prosciutto in it. This is
it
called,
cooked?
yes. All right, so this one, hold it back up for a second before you. All right, this one is the crispy prosciutto bites. And they say, you can go ahead and open it. These crispy prosciutto bites deliver a bold punch of smoky, salty ham flavor in a light, crunchy texture.
It's ham?
Mm-hmm. That's what prosciutto is.
I didn't know that.
That's okay. We find out something
He's
new every
really
day.
good.
I'm sorry.
I can't get me out.
I know. I was trying to hold the bag.
He thinks me.
Oh my goodness.
Ow, Maestro.
Okay.
You,
Are we having a moment for real? For real? For real?
I rate this in the negative.
No. It may. Wait. You don't have no water in there. Okay. Go.
show me that shit on the sandwich.
Okay. So tell me
I
what's
don't eat
going
lunch
on.
meat either.
But it's not. Okay. I don't know.
I don't like ham.
Yes, you do.
Mm-mm.
Yes, you do. It's kind of like a light version of what is it? Not pepperoni.
Mm-mm.
Okay, nonetheless.
This tastes like
so this one is
lunch
something
meat.
you don't want to eat.
No.
Okay.
I thought it was gonna be good.
I did
Glad
too for
tried it.
y'all.
It was okay.
Just
Did you
okay. So
like
what
it?
would you rate it?
Well, it's like,
I give it a -2.
That's only because you don't like it. You don't like that kind of meat. So
I'll give it a 1.
okay. And what are you giving it?
I'd give it probably a 4.
Can
A
I have
4?
another one of that one?
4. After
We're
the
moving to
thing
the
was
next one. We're moving to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, this one
over.
is
Her sister.
okay.
Very.
Yes.
It's
So you
olive
have to
oil.
remember this is Italy, and that's what they do.
They love rosemary and olive oil.
Yeah, heavy on the seasoning. So the next one that we're doing is the 3 snack, and this is rosemary and olive oil.
Yummy.
Okay, so here, take that one. You can show them the bag again, and then you can go ahead and pop that open.
Are you gonna eat it?
I'll try that. Here's the difference. You can get it either in tomato or this one, the rosemary. But it's supposed to be a crispy, golden baked cracker infused with either sun-ripe tomatoes and or oregano.
I think this one's the oregano.
Yes, most definitely, because it says it right there on oregano and rosemary.
Can I try it?
Yes, absolutely.
I'm extra cheated.
I know, ahead of time. That's not bad.
You know what else you choose?
Okay.
You know what else you choose?
So what do you think of that one?
I like it. Well, I liked it until Maestro started bullying me.
I'm sorry, he started bullying me. All right, so you do get at least one more dessert situation.
Yay! Where is it?
It's right here. This one is a cracker.
Dessert.
This one is a cream cookie.
Can I try it first?
Absolutely. All right, go ahead and open this. The pistachio cream cookie.
That's okay.
Long ways, long ways.
I want to try. Do you think, have they sent a Dubai one?
Yeah, you missed
I
that.
think you did miss that one.
Okay,
Okay, hang on. We'll talk about them
it
again. I'll show you the book. Okay, so this one is the pistachio cream cookie, and it says it's golden crisp biscuit sandwiched around a velvety pistachio cream filling, offering a rich, nutty sweetness with a hint of roasted depth.
Looks like one of those.
Okay, try. That's a sweet cookie.
Oh my God, yeah, it is.
That
This
a
is
sweet
delicious. Can I have another one?
I guess you can take one more out of there. Nobody's getting another try of that one. Sorry, Aunt Leah.
Oh, I wish you would have said that. I wouldn't have tried it.
Oh, it's okay. Trust me, she's all right.
Delicious.
All right. So, what are you giving that one?
A 10.
There's no 10. It's a 1 to 5 star. She said 10.
A 5 and some excellence.
Okay. So, of the items that you got to taste, okay, I'll come back to you. I'll let you enjoy your cookie. What are you giving that one?
I'd give it one 5.
I would
But
too.
it's very
It's just
sweet,
sweet.
though.
The cookie itself, I guess the cookie along with the pistachio cream kind of made it really sweet, but you get the cookie bite first. And to me, that
Is
was
this
sweet.
only in Italy?
No, I'm going to check because what I
Want some
do,
more of that.
at the end of every box before I post, I list products so you can shop from my video. And I will find a store that it's at here in the United States and let you know where it is. And then that way it can be ordered.
You know it's going to be the international market.
Hopefully. Walmart has had a lot of them, believe it or not.
Really?
It has had a lot. Okay, so unfortunately, G3 is not down here so that I can ask her what her favorite was out of what she tried. But we're going to go in numerical order. We'll start with the oldest. So we're going to ask you about your professional opinion because, as you know, my hubby is a trained chef.
I'm upset with him. He told me to go ahead.
I'm sorry, he's still messing with you. Anyway, can you just go ahead? I want your...
I thought they were all good.
What
But-
was your favorite?
There was no but. I thought they were all good.
No, but which one is your favorite?
The pizza one.
Would we be talking about this
Can
one?
I have another one?
No way, y'all. No way.
But it's just
Mm-mm.
one.
I know y'all. Okay, so that was your favorite. Which one was your least favorite?
I'm not really sure of that because most of them I gave like a 4.5.
I think. What did you say about the prosciutto?
He liked that one.
That one you
I
did.
said that was up at 4.5. Yeah.
Okay. I know it was another one that you said.
And Mary Poppins over here tried to give it a 0.
Okay, I know it was something else that you said it was just okay.
Can I have another chocolate one?
When the camera stops.
We'll see. Okay, so
Snacks are delicious.
out of what you tried, being that this was okay, tell me which one was your favorite.
The pistachio one.
Really?
And I don't like pistachios. But
You
I like
thought
that
you
one.
didn't, huh? Until
That's
you
the
had
only
that.
one I like.
Okay, so you
I
don't
have
like
something
the
that
nut
had
by
cream
itself. It
Yeah.
was the way in which it
I
was.
like the way that they made it.
Okay. I'm sorry, what did you
Was
say?
that the one that had the creamy filling?
No, that was this one. The last one she tried.
Yeah.
Okay,
Delicious.
so with that being said, what was your least favorite?
The prosciutto.
Okay, with that face that you're making, I'm going to say, okay, my favorite was this one, and I got to keep it away from them, otherwise there won't be any to even possibly send to Aunt Leah. But nonetheless, listen to it, she know about a handful. My least favorite, I don't know, but because I don't eat meat, I did not try the prosciutto at all. So that's probably
That
not
makes me
fair.
sad because I thought I was gonna like that one the most out of all of them.
Yeah, but you said it actually had a cold cut taste to it?
Yeah, it did,
But prosciutto doesn't
when you-
usually
when you
do
cut it
that.
thin, yeah, but when you cut it that thin, it's what you said.
Oh, okay. So
That's probably
not like when, you go into Little Italy and they shave it right there and you try it.
Yeah, it's pretty thin. When you shave
But does it taste like cold cuts then, or does it actually taste? I didn't think it did.
No.
Okay. I wasn't always a pescatarian, but just certain things like that. So I'm going to say that was my least favorite. So, have you gotten the snack crate? Have you tried the snack crate? I do want to ask you, Miss G4,
Wait.
since this is your first time trying the snack crate, would you try it again?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. If you two do not stop.
Maestro, stop it.
Okay. So anyway, I'm glad that you did enjoy it. Hopefully we'll have you again.
I think out of all of those that we've had to date, I think the Korean one was probably the one that we definitely can ask G2 that question. But I think that one was probably close to my favorite box as a whole.
Well, it wasn't mine because she ate most of it out of there, so I don't know. But nonetheless, I just want to tell you, we thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with us on today to meet my G4 and 2. Uh-oh, her mother's floating around. This is actually Sidekick's sister. Just so you know, she may look older, but she's not the oldest. The Sidekick is the
middle
oldest,
child.
okay? But nonetheless, I would like to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with us on today as we unboxed and tasted and rated our snack crate.
Oh,
Call it what it is. Call it what it is, okay?
But
They may
it's in
not
a
send it to
box.
us. Yeah, but you got to call it the name that it is.
Okay, the snack.
So,
crate.
okay, so I just want to tell you thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with us on today, meeting my G4, who is actually the sister of Sidekick.
Hey, why do you guys
She's
call
the
her
young,
Sidekick?
oh, she's been actually doing this since my first, I think maybe 6 months after I started. So, but anyway,
So would that be saying she missed the first 6?
anyway,
Maestro.
so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties
Especially
family.
if you want to see more of the funniest G.
G what? G what?
You forgot which number you are?
No, you can't say the funniest G4 because I'm the only G4.
Yes, you are.
Which is why you have to say out of the funniest Gs.
Oh, so
I'm
you
the
want-
funniest.
Oh,
grandchild.
so now we're doing you're a G. That's what you're telling me. You're just a regular G now.
Can I have another one?
You certainly cannot.
But it
Okay,
was so
so
good.
G stands for goof.
Yeah, that's what
Anyway.
you are. Maestro. Oh.
make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts.
Ouch.
Have you been to Italy? Have you tried them? Is there something you saw that you would like to hopefully get from somewhere
I
close
hope
by?
they send
Check
us
the
pizza
shop box.
ingredients.
Check the shop box down below and see if something that you like can be purchased here in the United States. Okay, now make sure you share this video. Share it with someone who you think would enjoy Snack Crate. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be
A seasoned beauty.
until next time.